Okay, here we have the unboxing of the iPhone 5. Black Otterbox Defender series. Alright, and here's the iPhone 5. Okay, now we're opening the package here. And here we have the iPhone 5. Aluminum back. Now we also have the iPhone 4S to compare it to. I'll zoom in on that. Okay, we're going to say I agree. I agree to the terms. Now it's restoring from iCloud. Choose backup today at 11:07, which is fine. Restore, so now it's restoring from iCloud right now. And we're joined to the network. Enable location services. Set up as new for iPhone. We're going to restore from iCloud backup. And here's the new phone. I'll go English. Okay, all the icons are coming across. As you can see, there's an extra row missing here, but I guess that's going to populate as it goes through. I'm going to take this Otterbox and put it on the iPhone, if I can get it apart. Definitely hot. It's harder to get out of this open this Otterbox than the old Otterbox case. Okay. Take that off. Put that on. And there's another piece of plastic here that I'm going to take off. And now it's safe in its Otterbox forever. They seem to have beefed the corners up much better with this new Otterbox, by the way. All the ports seem to be a lot tougher. So there's the iPhone 4S and the iPhone 5. One thing I'd like you to see is everything transferred over, even the data in Safari, all my past history. Of course, all the phone numbers, text messages, of course photos all transferred, everything from the photo transferred through the iCloud. All the apps have transferred. The only thing that does not transfer is your music. So I have a lot of music, so I'll have to transfer that manually. The email all transferred from all of my accounts, so that's good. Apps are all installing now from the iCloud right now. All the contacts are transferred. Of course, all the calendar appointments are transferred, no problem.